Hi guys, so today we have a new wig that I wanted to install and show you how I install my own wigs. I'm sorry guys, this video is supposed to have sound, but I don't know what happened. It's just silent, it's crickets basically. Alright, so I'm using the Sen foundation stick, hair foundation stick. So I just warm it up on my hand and then use the brush that's on the same stick thing, and then I put it on the lace. Then I showed you how the lace looked, and then now I am just trying to make my hair under the wig neat. So, and also because it's a 5x5, the sides might show, so you need your sides to be neat. That's why I'm doing some kind of like a baby hair type of thing there. So yeah, then after doing that, that's when we get into gluing the wig. So for that, I'm using rubbing alcohol. I got this from Discam, and an old washcloth, and I just wipe around where I'm going to lay the glue or the spray. Alright, so after that you just position your wig and then see where you would want it to sit, and then you proceed with your glue or your hairspray. For the spray, I'm using the Glamour hairspray. I've been liking this. This one is a hit or miss sometimes, but you need to know how to work with it or how it works actually. Otherwise, your good old got-to-be glue is fine. And then I spray and then I let it be tacky. I think I used 2 layers of the spray before I put down the lace. And then after putting the lace down, then I use my rectal comb and also my dryer to dry that part. Thereafter, I use my elastic band and I tie that down in order to make the lace lay on my head. And then after that I remove it, and then I'm ready to cut the lace. I use an eyebrow shaper thing, and I use that. You can use a scissor, but if you're using a scissor, just remember to cut in a zigzag form. So a razor or these eyebrow razors are much better. They do the zigzagging for you, and you don't have to worry much about that. After cutting, I then use the spray again to spray on top of that, just to make the parts that are not laid to also lay. And then I'll wear my elastic band again, and then after a little bit I will then remove the elastic band and start to style. I went in with my Isoplus holding spray just to lay or lay the wig much better. This way, when you do this, it makes the lace less visible, so I like the step. But then I do put it into another different hairspray. I hate the spray of that Isoplus. It will run all over your face, and then I just wipe the excess with my washcloth and rubbing alcohol again. Proceed to dry and put on the elastic band again. So yeah, you have to do these steps if you want your lace or your hair to be laid. So this is where the tricky part then becomes, because I've been trying to learn how to curl my hair with a color, and I don't know what's happening. I think this color is the issue. So I put on my heat defense spray and then proceed to learn or try to curl, and I'm telling you guys, it was not budging. Nothing was happening, and it was irritating me, right? So I just ended up giving up and then proceeded to style as normal, as just straight hair. So I did a middle part, and then I used my hair dryer to lay that closure part flat as possible. I could have used my hot comb, but I was lazy to take it out, and my hair dryer also can do a job. So if you don't have a hot comb, use a hair dryer. Make sure you have a bit of a quality hair dryer and use that. Alright, so for the edges, I just am going to do 2 edges at the side of that closure. So basically, I'm also trying to hide the ends parts of that 5x5 closure. So that's why I decided to do that there. I could have plucked this hair much further, but I didn't want to do that. It's just a whole nother job. It's going to take more time. So I just decided, let me just use it as it is, and then I will, as I wear it more often, I will be plucking it a bit more. Alright, so I used my eyebrow cutter to cut those hairs on the sides, and then I used a small straightener. I got this from a surprise. I think it was like $100 or something like that, and then it actually works. It's very hot. And then I used the sand hair gel to actually lay down that those baby hairs. So guys, the sand hair gel is actually quite good, eh? I saw on K Republic's talking about it a while ago, and I've always wanted to try it, and then I bumped into it at Clicks, and then I bought it, and I think it's a good gel. So I'll be using this much more often. So the final touches is to use a powder and just put some powder on that lace in the front, and it should then lay your wig much better. So yeah, what lace. All right, bye. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I actually wanted to do my makeup, but I had to do something that took a lot of my time, so I can't do my makeup. But I will surely wear it again and then do my makeup for another video soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. But yeah, otherwise guys, thank you so much. If you have reached the end of this video, thank you so much, and please do subscribe, comment, like and share, whatever, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.